Connected.
Have a good night. You too. See you later.
Hello. Hello, Sena. Music. This song needs a little... Okay, that's good. Hey Siri, call Pat.
Hey.
Turns out I'm coming. Can you guys wait for me?
Yeah, no worries. We're still waiting on Bobby, so we'll see when you get here. Ride safe.
Okay, see you soon.
Hey, you made it.
Hey, yeah, I'm so glad I could come out. And look who finally got his motorcycle license.
Yeah, let's just go.
Mesh intercom on. Mesh intercom on. Public mode.
Guys, I've got a solid playlist going on right now. Share it with me. I want to hear. Okay.
Music sharing on.
Okay, yep, that sounds like summer.
Right? Plus the new speakers. That bass, though. So fire.
Any of you guys need gas?
Nope.
I've got like 50 miles.
Slow down a little bit. That corner gets tight.
Thanks. Good looking out.
Guys, I'm starving. Let's just stop here.
Okay.
I'm right behind you.
I don't know, wings sound kind of good. Split them?
I'm in.
So are you coming with us next week?
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.